All right. Yes, Miss Jesse, and perhaps any other teacher that perhaps would require help in regards to uploading the certificate that you have completed for the innovation route. All right. This is going to be your home page. You're going to be going to our courses. When you go to our courses, you should be seeing your CPD. If not, we're going to go here, and you notice you're gonna be seeing. Let me just quickly put a drawing here. You're going to be seeing this right here. All right. Once you have seen that, then you're going to be clicking on it. Okay. You're going to be clicking on it. And it's going to take you to where it says the global innovation in the classroom, basic, advanced, and professional levels. All right. You're going to go down. It says guide to upload Profuturo certificate. So this is just a picture. You're going to go here. You're going to go down, scroll down. And if you notice, it says here training material innovation. So you're gonna download all of these material because these are reading material for you to do your CPD. Next, there's a little blue arrow looking this one here. What you will do, you will click on this particular link. When you click on that link, it should tell you it should let me see if I can do that quickly. All right, you will see this. You will not see this blank file here. So you will say add files. You're gonna go here where it says create folder or where it says download. And there's one that says for you to submit a folder or a file. And when you click on that button, then you're gonna be searching in your computer where you downloaded the official document, the certificate in PDF, and you're gonna put accept. And then here's where you're gonna when you're gonna add it, and you're gonna put save changes or save. All right, that's when you're gonna be submitting the certificate. Now I cannot go back because I have already submitted mines. So for you to show you guys exactly what you need to do to upload that. Let me quickly see if I can find the other one that perhaps can lend itself for this one here. Okay, let me go back. All right, I'm gonna do a fresh one, and that would be the advanced level. All right, if you completed the advanced level, that means you're going to be doing this one. The one I showed you just a while ago is for the basic. So this is the advanced level. You will see clearly it says advanced level. All right, I'm going to click on that. And if you notice, this is exactly what it's going to say. Assignment is overdue by 20 hours and 34 minutes. So I'm going to put add submission. All right, this is what you're going to be seeing where it says add submission. You cannot miss it. All right, you're going to add the submission. Click on that. And if you notice this, it says you can drag or drop files here to add them. All right, I want to simply click on the files button. All right, I'm going to click on the inside. Let me go back. Perhaps you may have missed what I did just now. I'm going to put add submission again. All right, I'm going to, where the little arrow is, I'm going to double tap, and it's supposed to come up with this, and it says choose file. I'm going to go here. I'm going to look for my wherever I save my document. Let me just put this here. Okay, I don't have my one here uploaded, but let's just say you choose a file. Okay, let's say this is a file. This is the file I got. You're going to click on that. You're going to put open. You're going to click the section that says open. And when you have done that, it's going to upload here. Once you upload it, you're going to put upload this file, and you have finished. All right. Let me just quickly do the following just for first time sake. All right, let's see I've submitted that. I put submit, and then that's going to be putting my where it says save changes, and then my file will appear here, and I've successfully uploaded the certificate for the Pro Futuro CPD. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to be doing for that section there.